really need to call.
Hello, Bab Song Kanor Boshamana Lightanai Salkisa Elba Deorma, J. Koroksa Manai Heke Koroksa Serai Tomani, 6th class of Port Jongai. Manake Hustela Port Jongai, Binama Bawson, Hustela Toner Family, Beleno Costo Katonzao, Ekeba, Kam Connection Port Riveton Wazaga, Avon Botani by Kosok Sonanaka, Heke Tangi, been warden by Abisin Kananaka. So this has the Saxon Kosok Tiunke, been warden Tamni by car. Kepari seng abno kan lain warden tamunca bini bising tei abno seng tabuk warden salta sana segan kari tiong ojak tahu pakai bo paimani olo bo tabuk saksa man tam caro isha heke bo nijuno tam caro isha nanai abno rako bini bising ti kanai manai abno angka kayu je sini koroksa manai Albert Debbarma thimani bungui je kisu isu tongmani bebongno problem solungai je bathananya police bai marom dathang asano koimu padi
For you to have some clarification and some proof. For one thing, it was happening. The unexpected accident happened in our hostel. So one hosteler boy died. That is the reason we want to express our sad for this incident.
After that,
so then we really people wanted to know what is the reason. We also don't know. Actually, this Albert Debbarma, he is one of our students also in this Our Lady of Holy Cross School. So he is studying in class 6.
yes.
On that 14 November 2024 took place this accident. So as we know that on that day, it was this one Children's Day celebration. So we had program in the school. We want students to be happy and enjoy and respect their identity, dignity also. So we want them to make happy, and we had this Children's Day celebration. So as in charge of the school, I set the timing so that for the safety of the children, I set the timing 8 to 11, so that the parents also will come and fetch their own children. So the program started at 8 a.m. and then went on. Children were so happy, really so happy. The programs was really an excellent. The teachers did for them. He also took part on that, so, joining with the peers group. And then after that, the 11 o'clock not yet reached. Then the school, the program got over. Then in order to keep the discipline of the students, we send them to all their respective classes, and we make them happy. We give them a chocolate also in the classroom. As you know that it's a long period of time, so they need to go for break. So we send a short break to go for their needs. And then after that, we rang again the bell, and they went to their own classes. And before the final bell, they had to stand in line instead of giving the discipline of the students to go back to their home. So then that way. But this Albert Debbarma, he is our hosteler. So normally hostelers help to the sisters to put back their things, their chairs, and then take out the decorations, all this. So, and normally they used to do that and help to their sisters. And they are so happy to do that. And then before taking out all the decorations and put back the chairs in the room, said, "Sister, can we dance?" I said. Then sister said, "Surely." Then sisters played some songs. They were dancing very happily. Then after 1-2 songs, they danced enough now because the sun is also so hot. So it's time. Then we stop them, and then they help us to to take out the decorations, all that. Then after that, finishing everything. He was one of that Albert that he helped to carry even in the staff room to put their things, orderly. He was one of that. And then after that I send them home. I said enough. When we finish, then they go to their hostels. And my duty when they go back, I am in charge, so I have to look all around whether things put in order or not. So I went all around and check, and so then I closed all that doors or the office and all. Then I went home. That is the welfare of that, and I did that.
So when Albert Debbarma happening on what time?
What time the incident?
I mean, he hung.
That one I really don't know exactly. I don't know, because I am not the one who is in charge in the hostel. My duty is to take care the school. Yes, my duty is to take care the school. That part I really don't know.
So now some people or some public are blaming to school. Like this, sir?
Of course, the whole premise is Our Lady of Holy Cross. The whole premise. So then definitely it one name only, no? So that is, just say Our Lady of Holy Cross, boys hostel or girls hostel or convent, but in one name only. So that is the thing. It got the premise blame.
The other hostel warden town step.
What do you take step to hostel warden? Do you take any action or any step to hostel warden?
That part, I really, because normally I am fully, my work is in the school, so I did not take any action on that or any part on that. Yeah, yes, we talk with I asked the parents, shall we call police? Shall we inform police? Then the parents said no. But for our safety, nowadays, because we never know, for our safety, so we call the police. So that is the thing.
So hostel la haimani 11:15 ka 11:15 simi afro tamungka time ya ko borong maisara ni okay bornang saga sarbar to maisar na nai sarbar tangka maisari ka maisabe borok plate chuka aguka okay ang no last maisabe yo baksa do leru baksa do no maisabe ya ko ang last so hai ani yaksu ya ko plate su haika am poreng kanyo borna thudin saga rest khadi neta okay ang ground read kha ground read bakino bo joton jang room thama kya okay ang ground read bakino jepura ang nokna puro afro kai tamka class 7 daw kana sung jai kinarin kuna rokta sungka brother tingsin tanda samna ninga ye samna sintan ang saro duito iko bel togana sisar bahanya sing english gan sablane ni sarata am pore kna sabakena nokoroi tui pam rena thangka kanyo 15 minute da 20 minute kahenka ampor boran agonna ano nin pa yata pro nin pa khachigi nin pa kana brother hagardi so kai ang dare hacha lengi tong so lengi tong ni kai hamamang to kan so ampor kanyo khachi ka mo juta borok nya familia mobile bang khitarei pura min rumo thangka nya wasina tui botol bai kisa spring rai tui nade kinang chipoka sabo na ka samir to ang tui nade kin sabika ganyang alban ni jiri ko bai bokorok ngko khatang ganyo ang thaya sagana bodo kes kari kya ang nar to kya ngai ampora kanyo tui naka an khorang khana bai kya sabo ani gana tongka sabo baranda basa ka amotai lo saimalia sabo thujak basa bai kya ngai asuntani pat
Apro ke bo ke mane rokojak da bo bahai. Mane nang je no
Buma ke mani.
Bonoda bono ka rokojak man kyang ang rokojak man kya spring ke ketoi nganyo spring khaise ka no bo ka sekari kara
Aku tak kocar kong ngabo.
150 rong kana tu kasi go
Ngai apro sabo tong mane je nang habui puro.
ang habi puru janu ni nai tai tong na but ang recognize family sabo tong kri but as I shout ang je chiru khopru abro ko joton habi kya baranda basa ba kya tau sabo phai cha ang amo semang
अच्छा ग नर तो रिहिं का रिहिं मापर नंग ग चरनो ताम मुंटे आसो बिसे ताम खै बोलें खा संगि जानाय खा
sungka mana ampore ang saimang kata ampore
ताम नु ग ताम साइमा का परे
ampore bo ajagni duijana cherero arni tiklai taibo kana onogo ang ke borok tiklai akoi engkai apro ang saimanai sisar hai ko achina nihin ba keta
बरकी ग बिन जे हॉस्टल रूम में भाई बुलायो ना कौन तो लायो ना
ono bulai pura enjoy bo ke gro layo school logo pura ke gro la oi akoi bono inko rawoi bono silo akoi joton enjoy khai masana hi school
ये सडन ले भाई स्टेप ताओ ग मानी गुरु को ताम हनि वानसु
ang tamon sana sa mane ang tabo on the spot bono yang kang ba ang tabo tamoni sana tabo on the spot nugi ya je bor an hinjang amo joton ani pat tendoron thai samani amo joton ani pat because I'm not there on the spot kering gunoi because amo racing time
Tai jebin gano bed do tongai rokai abro ke tam ke tongai.
amaro joton thujak because lengjak bono thurin cycle ang joton thurin as general ang joton thurine round kaserika bota mukhai tong emni bo thunani kicha ungkongo tansgemo very rare bo afternoon thumani kom
Angka bo nono to mane miya wo heni to ma ke mane social media wo kaka mane nang no Bwthar honi bin guardian dok obo tui nang tam sanai.
ang men tan no thang ha kya parents pura asuki kok sai kya pura kok sai same detail ang sai tong same detail but botam sa khapang non do silia to bukai usuren no sa dujan bung sakang thairika am pura botam sa khana mire ki jong all the student from the hostel to have it sandengka ang mo giza thangka ngban call khairo ang call khai sms kya haibe kya haibe ako ang mo giza pai duita ekta ro ha kya already minister dujon ha kya em by minister nga boro already enquiry khai jaga spot ni kifili tongka bajetan sing habi kya abor habi kya tamka parents of jotno family parents ta student parents joton bairawo tamka sing kok sakang kai em ara thacha kok mane bor kok saka amodo school do soli tongnen chaw school do soli tongnai amon bai taw justice je soi tamka amno investigation haina bagai police na bor dai tiri chaw nga amporno aro kuchuna nanya kono nai norbai mane thama keta
Angka miya oro guardian ok thanga miya mane nang mai kok sarna hane ja media rong bes kang tam bagai na kan exactly ya apro.
anga tamni nangai boro koitaw bor time siria no koitaw time siria bro 10 ta 12 ta but ang time rika 12 ta time rika parents of already boro haja bisingo but boni planning tama samia bor 3 ta haja angaro thanglia ta amo kharmani ko ya to ang thangai nujel ta because bor je haimani tei amo ekdom wild
Je dino incident ngo adino bo nang khari thangka ne abo tobang ma kok ka sai tong ka abo kai eso de ko ya abo
police no nasingka pasta time saring ka ang abro tamka police no nasingya ko se ruma habikya enquiry ka investigation ka police tongo dai sister tongo an in charge ang warden ni saka ngata dujona student tongo ang jotono ang first ang warden nei saka o jaga oni sarno kunuka ampor bor dujona explain khaikya ngangka investigation paibe kya joton enquiry paibe kya apuro bor ekdom phan chotone akoi saitong anga ba ang saito thangara ngaba ani septin ba dam first man ane ble aro je kok sang bono bo ya kharo police hakangkai police tamsa apuro officer je eng mani amo postmortem bor result manana ta no bono sili tang khane
150 ni 150 ekta 50 ni botna police na inform khaimu kwada inform khaijaka ta police asu dori soilia
police on the spot aurora haya but ngo thanga chanchuo bo soke direct yang khali ange buying direct thanga because aro si thanga dead body